In today's video, I'm going to teach you a deep dive into Google Sheets functions. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Google Sheets functions are the engine behind fast, reliable analysis, from simple math to advanced data retrieval. To use them effectively, start with the core pattern every function follows. Type an equals sign, then the function name, and place your inputs, called arguments, inside parentheses. For example, typing equals sum, then selecting a range like A1 through A10, gives you equals sum, A1, A10. That tells Sheets to add everything in that range. Most functions use commas to separate arguments, and ranges are defined with a colon. If your locale uses different separators, Sheets will adjust automatically. As your formulas grow, nesting is your best friend. Think of it as an onion. The innermost function is calculated first. So with equals abs, sum, A1, A7, Sheets adds the values in A1 to A7, then applies abs to return the absolute value. This approach lets you build powerful, layered formulas one piece at a time. A helpful trick is to test from the inside out, making sure each part returns what you expect before you add the next layer. While you type, keep an eye on the function helper pane that appears under your formula bar. It shows the function's description, the exact arguments it needs, and hints about what each argument means. If something turns red or you see an error preview, the helper is pointing you to a missing or incorrect argument. Use it to confirm your syntax and avoid guesswork. Once you're comfortable with the fundamentals, a few advanced functions can transform your workflow. Query lets you filter, sort, and aggregate with an SQL-like language, effectively turning your sheet into a lightweight database. For example, you can select specific columns, filter rows that meet conditions, and group or sum in one formula. Import range pulls data from another Google Sheet so you can consolidate sources. The first time you use it with a source, you may be prompted to allow access, then it updates automatically. ARRAYFORMULA lets one formula fill an entire column, such as calculating values across matching rows without dragging down manually. This improves consistency and performance. And IFERROR makes your formulas more robust by returning a fallback, like a blank or a friendly message, whenever the original formula would show an error. Combine these tools thoughtfully. Lean on syntax and nesting, use the helper to guide you, and layer advanced functions for complex tasks. For a complete list and more examples, refer to the official Google Sheets function reference. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.